Hello, mathematicians. Today we're working on two standards through two different activities. The first one is working on multiplying multi-digit whole numbers through a problem string. And the second one is a checkpoint to see what you remember about volume. So we're going to get started with our problem string. And these three problems are really helping us build up to a strategy called partial products. So you might notice that all of these are times 23. And my last one is 33 times 23. And here are two parts of that. If I'm trying to figure out 33 groups of 23, I can use 30 groups plus 3 groups to help me figure that out. So let's start out with this first one. I know that 3 times 20 is 60. And I also know that 3 times 3 equals 9. So 60 plus 9 would get me to 69. So I kind of did a little mini partial products. I broke apart 23 into 20 and 3, multiplied both groups by 3, and then added together my results. Now I'm going to move on to this one. And one of the things I'm noticing about this one is I can actually break apart, I can break apart the 30 into 3 times 10. Is that still 30? Yep. But now when I multiply that by 23, I know in multiplication I can multiply in any order. So I already know that 3 groups of 23 from this problem up here is 69. So all I need to do is multiply that by 10. And 10 is a friendly number to multiply by. So our first one, we got 69. Now we're actually just really multiplying that by 10 to get 690. So now let's take a look at our last one. This is 30 groups and 3 groups, or 33 groups times 23. So I can add the 30 groups and the 3 groups to make 33 groups. So I'm simply just going to add those two. So I have 690, and I'm adding 69 to it. And I'm going to solve that by moving 10 from this one over to here to make it 700 plus 59, because then that makes my answer easier. I know it is 759. So your job today is to go in to complete the problem string with these next 3 problems. And again, be thinking about the connections you can make. And you have quite a few pages of problems. So there is 1 problem on each page of this checkpoint. I really recommend that you listen to my voiceover of the directions, because I kind of help you figure out the problem and read through the problem if you are ready for help with that. So you'll notice there are 6 problems and there's 1 problem on each page. However, a lot of the problems have like 2 parts to them. Then when you are finished with all of that, you will press the green check. Have a good math class.